Welcome to this episode of Cooking with Kirby. Today we're going to be making a lemon garlic chicken over some pasta. This recipe is a must try. If you're feeling pasta and you want something flavorful with it, this is it right here. So no further ado, let's get into the recipe so I can show you how to make it. Since you're here, hit the like and subscribe button and make sure that the notification bell is rang. Check me out on social media. That way you can get notification of all my new recipes. We're going to start off with 3 chicken breasts and we're going to go ahead and cube them. I went ahead and sliced them in half and then cut them in strips and then cubed them up. Then we're also going to need 8 ounces of baby portobello mushrooms sliced. We also need a half of an onion, that's just a yellow onion, and then a 1/4 cup of chopped parsley. We're going to need the juice of 1 whole lemon, and then we're going to need 2 tablespoons of minced garlic and 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Now you just want to go ahead and add a little bit of olive oil into your pan. This is over medium heat. You do not want this hot because we want to melt that butter and we do not want that butter to burn. So go ahead and just put your butter in there and then just go ahead and melt it down. Once you have your butter melted, go ahead and add your chicken. Like I said, we're on medium heat. We don't want this to be like super hot. We're going to be cooking this a little slow. So just go ahead and get your chicken in there and spread it around and begin the cooking process. Now you want to go ahead and just season your chicken with some salt and black pepper. Now go ahead and mix everything, because after we get that seasoning of the salt and pepper all over our chicken, then we're going to add the garlic, the lemon, and we're going to let this cook for like about 4 to 5 minutes. We just want to cook down that chicken. Like I said, this is over medium heat. We want all those juices. Plus, we don't want to dry out our chicken, so just keep that in mind. Go ahead and keep stirring because you don't want the chicken to get overdone. Once you get your chicken cooked on all 4 sides, now you want to go ahead and add your mushrooms, onion, and parsley. Now this is where we're going to start building flavors. So we're going to mix this up, and you want to make sure that you want to incorporate everything evenly. Now we're going to go ahead and cover, and we're going to let that cook for 4 to 5 minutes and let that simmer down. Like I said, this is over medium heat. You do not want it high. Now we're going to go ahead and add a 1/4 cup of some heavy cream. This is going to add a nice creaminess to this sauce, and it came out very delicious. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of flour mixed with some water. Now you want to just go ahead and stir in that flour into your gravy. It's going to thicken up. Go ahead and turn off the heat. The cooler it gets, it's going to get nice and thick. So go ahead and serve this over some al dente pasta, or you could do rice. But you know what? This has a really good flavor, and it was perfect with some fettuccine. And let me tell you, do not hold back on that gravy. That gravy gave the pasta a delicious flavor. The gravy for that chicken had a very good flavor, and you know what? Do not pass up on this recipe. Try it at home. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button so you see future videos just like this and many more. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section. As always, I'll leave the link down in the video description. That way you can get the full printable recipe at cookingwithkirby.com. Oh yeah, I have these recipes. They're very good. You should try them out. Now y'all be beautiful and take care.